high, cut through the haze. Glass in my chest, spark in my gaze.